and stay here.
No, she's not looking.
We usually hire private security when they come out, so we didn't think they were going to let that.
Guys, I want everyone to calm down.
Okay. Guys, we can stay, but keep order, please. We'll take care of the parents. Let's all stay together. Let's all unite. So we go back, but let's please keep an order and not raise our voice.
That's fine.
That's fine.
Yeah, but did you call the police, Madam Chairman? Thank you.
You heard that? Stay calm.
I want to know
Did
who
any
called
commissioner
the
call the
police.
I don't
police?
know
asked
who
the
called the
question.
police.
I know you don't know, but
I
you're
don't
going to
know
sow
who called the
seeds of dissension.
Security guard called the police.
Who called the
because
police?
He did it on his own. He has the authority to call the police because often we give him support, and other people, parents here are understandably very upset and very angry. We understand that. But you can't scream and yell like that. It was frightening to him, and he didn't have any control over you. It was frightening to the security guard. Yes. Yes. You didn't see the actions? Yes, I found it. In my 20 years, I haven't seen that. Yeah.
Let's find it out as parents.
We
Let's
have
go back.
4 officers here.
Inappropriate behavior.
There's a lot of inappropriate behavior, and it starts from in
They're
there.
not
The
screaming and
elected
yelling.
officials.
I don't think you'd like your children to be screaming and yelling like
Absolutely
that.
not.
You would tell them to settle down.
Yes,
So the
I would.
police
You're
are here.
absolutely
You know what?
right.
It worked. The police are here and everyone's quiet. So it worked.
Wow.
They walked out.
Wow, so that's what you use.
You guys walked out.
Glad you can know how to dial 911. Okay, guys, let's go back in, please.
Hey, everybody, please, let's just go back in.
No, they walked out. They're moving forward. They walked out. They're going forward.
Okay, we have quorum, let's go. Now, they left when there's no quorum, so I don't know what's gonna happen, this is ridiculous. Really? Really? Come on. They all left. What's the point of staying here if there's no quorum? You know, who called the cops? That's what I'd like to know.
Well, I asked a question. I didn't get an answer.
It was
Yeah,
not,
I have an idea.
It was not the chairman of the board, that's for sure.
Yeah, that's for sure. And perfect timing, when the parents have to speak. Perfect timing. You look so good. Beautiful.
And then there was a break.
I preach the data nonsense while you're dating.
Guys,
I did not call the police.
let's all be quiet. Let's see what's happening. No one just be quiet. Let's show that we're better than what's in that room. So let's stop. We'll see people man up to face our questions. Let's do it.
Guys, can I say something? We should all go in there. It'll be me.
No.
I'm going to charge you. You know that. We should all go in there when one of us speaks.
While I was trying to deal with the crisis situation, it was come to my attention that the vice chairman decided that he was going to chair the meeting, and there was an adjournment of the meeting without me in the room. While I was trying to calm the crisis. At this time, I'm going to. I did try to answer questions, but unless I have a quorum, I can't answer any questions.
You want a question? I'm going to get a question.
Nice.
And I'm going to be calling Stay calm, Jay.
This is ridiculous. This is
Answer questions
ridiculous.
unless you guys.
This is completely ridiculous.
I'm going to ask one question. Oh, you got a new mic. Cool. This is going to be the one question, and I wish this was on record, that every coward that got up and walked out should send in their resignation, because when you're an elected official, you face the music, good or bad. Walking out on frustrated parents, and it's a slap into the face, not to us, to our children, because they don't have the decency to face questions. This is cowardness. This is not even as good as communism. This is disgusting. You're dictating to us where our children will be for next year. Everybody that's not in this room should resign tomorrow morning And I would love to see that, because that's the only way you can get any confidence back from this school board and from its parents.
Before you leave, I just want to apologize on behalf of the members who are still sitting in this room and some of them who are on the phone who did not necessarily walk out of this meeting. But it's my understanding that in my absence, the vice chairman took over the meeting and that an adjournment was called. I was dealing with a crisis situation, as you know, because police had been called without my authorization. I went in to see what was happening because parents were being asked to leave. I wanted to be very clear that this meeting was adjourned, not under my jurisdiction. Thank you. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
That's just not acceptable. Not acceptable. No questions?
No questions.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.
Nothing.
No questions.
So no questions?
They can't answer questions. They don't have quorum. She can't answer them. You can make your comment.
On June 26th, guys, everybody who ever met. Madam Mancini, you put out a schedule. It was on the newspaper. It says question period here. I came all the way from Pierrefonds.
I can answer your questions, but I don't have a quorum anymore.
We can't, they left. They adjourned it.
Well, the commissioners left the building?
Yes, sir. The commissioners left the building, sir. And I told them when I came in the room that the parents were coming back in and they still all left, sir.
Well, maybe as the press is here, or the other person that's here, could you answer just one question? There was talk about taking legal action. How much will this legal action cost?
A lot of money.
Well, roughly. Is Quebec going to pay for this? Is it from the school? No, sir, don't walk away. I'm asking you a question.
A lot of money, sir, but I can't give you the amounts. I don't have the amounts.
Sabotage.
Lauren, stop speaking about that because I always have to do that because the media leaves and they want a comment from us. It's always been a better. Don't blame it. The fault was belongs to George Tono who asked him to call the police and then said that the meeting was adjourned. Come on, Norm.
Not in his
me.
place. Not in his place.
She left the meeting to do the media, like she's done in the past.
Never do during the meeting.
Well, she was called by the director of communications.
Who is not her boss?
But what? Are you kidding me, Norm? Like, are you kidding me? That doesn't give anybody the right to adjourn the meeting.
I'm playing for the media too now, right?
I'm not playing to the media. I'm stating facts.
This is a bad situation. All I'm saying to you.
I don't think bad is
No, I'm saying from the time the minister made his announcement, we all agree it was a bad situation.
It all started with Galileo. That's where it was. That's not safe in this sector.
Well, I'm not a politician. I'm just saying to you that it's not tonight.